Welcome back, my Stampin' friends. I want to talk to you about why now is the time to join Stampin' Up. It's Celebration going from now until March 31st. And Celebration is when you can choose an item based on how much merchandise you purchase, starting at $50. In $50 increments, you can choose a free item from the Celebration brochure. But if you sign up to become a demonstrator during Celebration, there are fabulous benefits to that. Not only will you receive the demonstrator discount on all of your future orders, but for only $99 and free shipping, you get to choose $125 worth of products from the annual catalog and/or the current mini catalog. So for $99, $125 worth of product. In addition to that, right now during Celebration, for anyone who signs up to be a demonstrator, you will receive this adorable mini paper trimmer. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? I love miniature stuff. I am addicted to things that are miniature. If you followed me for a long time, you know that. I have several boards on my Pinterest page for miniature things. It is just the cutest little thing, and it's great to take with you or to do your 6x6 paper. This little thingy pops up. It has the swing arm to it. So not only do you get that, but you get a sample pack, 6x6 sample pack of all of the designer series paper that is in the new mini catalog. So these are for $99, $125 worth of products, the mini paper trimmer, the 6x6 paper sampler, and you get to select an extra free stamp set of your choice. It's all with free shipping. And some people say, well, you know, I'm afraid to join because I'm afraid of meeting the quarterly minimum. I've been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for 17 years. I've never had a problem with that. However, you can join just for this deal. You do not have to ever order again. So if there are a ton of things that you want on your wish list, sign up through me, go to my website, stampinwithcharlene.com, click on the Join My Team or Join Now tab and take it from there, or send me an email and I can help you do it. There is no obligation. No one will hunt you down. Nothing will ever happen. You just pay the $99 and you are in like the Lynn.